Welcome to Ray Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program. Good morning students. All of you have acquainted with glass. Today we are going to learn lesson number 20 all about glass. In this lesson we are going to learn more about glass. Let us read and understand the lesson. Glass is one of the most beautiful substances that we can see around us. Just take a look around yourself and see how many jars, glasses, reading glasses, marbles, window panes, to name just a few. Where does this glass come from? Now here all we know about the glass as we see around us in our day-to-day life. If we look around ourselves, we can see different types of things made by glass, such as jars, glasses, reading glasses, marbles, and window panes, etc. But do you know where does this glass come from? Let us see how glass is made. The glass that is used to make so many everyday things is a man-made material. Can you guess what it is made from? It may seem unbelievable, but this clear, transparent and smooth looking material is actually made from sand. Glass is made by heating a mixture of clean, white sand and chemicals like soda and lime. The mixture is heated in a furnace till it turns into hot liquid glass. When it cools down, it becomes stiff and hard. Now here is given very clearly that how glass is made. Now glass is used in our everyday life and it is man-made thing. And do you know how it can be made? It's an unbelievable, means we can't believe that it is a clear, transparent and smooth looking material made from the sand, and it can be made by heating a mixture of clean white sand and chemicals like soda and lime. And then this mixture of white sand, soda and lime is heated in a furnace. Furnace means an enclosed thing in which materials can be heated to a very high, and when it cools down it becomes stiff and hard. Now see how glass is shaped. Once glass has become cold, stiff and hard, it is not possible to shape it. Glass is brittle, that means it breaks easily. It has to be shaped into different articles when it is still hot and soft. Very hot glass is more like a liquid. You can pour it, mold it, roll it, press it, or even blow it to make a variety of shapes. Now, when the glass is cooled down, it becomes stiff and hard, and after became stiff and hard, it's not possible to shape it. And glass is brittle, that means we can break it easily, and it has to be shaped easily to make different articles when it is hot and soft. Now when the glass is very hot, it's like a liquid, and at that time we can pour it, mold it, roll it, press it, blow it, and in this way we can make different types of shapes of the glass. Hot liquid glass is poured into molds and hardened to make articles of various shapes and sizes. It can also be rolled out to make flat sheets of glass. In another process, molten glass is floated on a bed of molten metal to make very flat glass sheets of even thickness. Gobs of hot liquid glass can be blown into bottles, bulbs, glasses, and other objects. Liquid glass can be blown into bottles, bulbs, glasses, and other objects. Liquid glass can also be drawn out into very thin fibers or glass wool. Now, hot liquid glass is poured into molds. It becomes hard and you can make different types shapes of articles. Sometimes it can be rolled out, make flat sheets of glass. There is another process. Molten glass means glass in liquid form is floated on a bed of molten metal to make very flat glass sheets. And now the gobs means the lump of glass. Hot liquid glass can also be drawn into a very thin fibers, and glass wool means very thin fibers, and in this way we can make objects like bottles, bulbs, glasses, etc. from this liquid glass. Now see some properties of glass. Glass has many useful properties. It is transparent. You can see through it. It is strong and hard. You can put a lot of load on it. It is impermeable. It does not allow water or other liquids to pass through, and it doesn't soggy or stain itself. Glass has no effect on the food, water or other substances stored in glass containers. In other words, it doesn't impart a smell or taste to them. Ordinary glass has a smooth surface and it can be washed easily. And last but not the least, important is the fact that it looks beautiful. No wonder then that it is used to make so many things. Now see what are the properties of glass. Glass is very useful. It is transparent. Transparent means you can see through it. Then it is strong and hard, and we can put lot of load on it. Then it is impermeable, means it does not allow water or any liquid to pass through it. Then it doesn't get soggy, and what is meant by soggy? Soggy means soft and watery. So it doesn't get soggy and stain itself, and glass has no effect on food, water or other substances stored in other containers. It means if you pour the milk in the glass container, the milk will remain as it is. The glass doesn't influence the taste or color of the milk. Ordinary glass has a smooth surface and it can be washed easily. And in this way we can use different types of things from the glass. Next, colored glass. Ordinary glass is colorless, but it is possible to produce colored and transparent glass by using different combinations of chemicals in the glass making process. Glass can be given many beautiful colors: blue, violet, turquoise, ruby red, pink, amber, orange, deep yellow, purple, amethyst, dark green, even black and white. Now, colored glass means you must have seen different types of colors glass. Now, ordinary glass is colorless, but it is possible to make colored and transparent glass by using the different combinations of chemicals in glass. And you can see in the picture, glass can be given beautiful colors such as violet, turquoise, ruby red, pink, amber, orange, deep yellow, purple, amethyst, dark green, even black and white, etc. Now, stained glass. Colored glass is used to make beautiful pictures, especially in window panes. Such window panes are known as stained glass windows. They are seen mostly in churches. Colored glass can also be used to make beautiful sculptures or decorative articles. It is also possible to paint on glass using special chemicals and process. Now see what is stained glass. Colored glass is used to make beautiful pictures and window panes. Such windows are stained glass windows. Many times we see stained glass in churches. Now, colored glass is used to make beautiful sculptures and decorative articles. Sculptures means a person who carves beautiful pictures by stone or wood, and it is also possible to paint on glass by using special chemicals and process. Next, glass can be recycled. Another unique feature of glass is that it is 100% recyclable. Old glass can be used to make new glass any number of times. Recycling glass in this manner is much cheaper than making new glass from raw materials. It requires much less heat and a lot of energy is saved. If you recycle even a single glass bottle, you save enough energy to power a color TV for about 20 minutes. So, the next time you throw away a glass bottle, think glass is valuable. Now you also can see in the picture that variety of things are made by glass, and another unique feature of the glass is that it is 100% recyclable. That is, old glass can be used to make another new glass, and it can be made any number of times. Now recycling glass in this manner is much cheaper than making new glass from raw materials, means it doesn't take much money to recycle it, and it requires much less heat and a lot of energy is saved. If you recycle even a single glass bottle, how much energy to power you can save? You can save energy to power a color TV for about 20 minutes. So, next time you throw away a glass bottle, please think, because glass is valuable. Now, here are some new words from the lesson. Write and learn these new words in your notebook. In this way, today we have learned the lesson all about glass. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you.